Ricky Martin to headline World AIDS Day concert in Florida on December 2nd. Global superstar Ricky Martin will headline the 2024 World AIDS Day concert presented by AIDS Healthcare Foundation on Monday, December 2nd. It will be held at the Watsco Center in Coral Gables, Florida. The event, which takes place the day after World AIDS Day on December 1st, aims to unite communities in the fight against HIV, honor those affected by the disease, and remember those we've lost. The concert will feature a performance by renowned DJ and rapper DJ Spinderella of Salt-N-Peppa fame, along with the presentation of the AHF Lifetime Achievement Award to Dr. Julio Frenk, the outgoing president of the University of Miami and the new chancellor-designate of UCLA. Dr. Frenk is celebrated for his contributions to HIV/AIDS treatment and global health initiatives, particularly his work in securing universal access to antiretroviral therapy in Mexico. Ricky Martin, a multi-award-winning artist and philanthropist, has been a longtime advocate for HIV/AIDS awareness, human trafficking prevention, and LGBTQ rights. His presence at this event underscores his continued commitment to using his platform to raise awareness for critical social causes. With approximately 1.2 million Americans living with HIV, the need for continued advocacy and action remains crucial, particularly in areas such as Miami-Dade County, which is the epicenter of the nation's HIV/AIDS epidemic. For further details of the concert and registration, visit ahfevents.org. Ricky Martin and DJ Spinderella? What a lineup! And what just an incredible event and a very worthy cause. So go, get your tickets.
Okay, so you're going to go down to Miami from Broward. That's what I'm asking. You're going to go down, right?
I'm promoting the story and the event. I'm just...
So that means no.
I'm a shut-in. It's hard enough to leave the house and come to the studio.
Oh my goodness.
This is true,
Wow.
right? Well, so Ricky Martin is going to be shaking his bonbon in Miami for, World AIDS Day, and I couldn't be happier. I just saw him do a Pride during Pride season. I was just it's so awesome to see him like in his zone. He looks comfortable.
Amazing.
His kids are like, not all grown up, but they're like,
Right.
they're like taller than him, He looks good. I thought him and his ex would last forever. Oh, well, gay love, it's how we roll. But I'm so happy that he's doing this, and, a lot of the LGBTQ plus community is happy that he's doing this to the point where both Flockfest and Sunserve are putting together buses to go down there. All right.
Great.
So get your tickets for the bus as well.
You can go.
Right. But what a great way. You go down there with a nonprofit and you get a ride down there because I know a lot of you queens are like, I'm not driving to Miami. I'm not driving to Miami. Send me pictures, blah, blah, blah. And it's not even the tip of Miami. It's in Miami. It's by UM.
Yeah, Coral Gables is down there.
It's down there. There's kind of only one way in and one way out, right? So just understand that.
Ends right before
US 1 is the only way to go, and that's how you're going to go, So grab a buddy or get on one of these buses and get down there. I mean, because it's a free concert.
But it continued props to Ricky, though, because, so many celebrities are not out there, not using their platform for the good.
Yeah.
And not that the judgment call, but they don't have to. But that he does and that he continues to and continue to expand that platform is, I think, so wonderful. It's just amazing, right?
Beautiful.
Bravo.
It's beautiful. And to him to just be his true authentic self. He was in the closet during the height of his popularity.
Kingdom,
That couldn't have been easy, And he used to live down here in Miami. So for him to come down and do something like this. Now mind you, I get it. He's getting paid. I understand. I'm not an idiot either, right? But he's still doing it. And HIV/AIDS still has a connotation to it. It still has a stigma to it, And he's like, no, I'm here for the fight. And Spinderella was one of my very first crushes. I thought she was gay until the other day when she got married to a dude, right?
That doesn't mean she's not gay.
Well,
Doesn't mean anything. That's right.
that's true. But I think this is important more now than ever. The one thing that Miami is number one in the country is for HIV/AIDS diagnoses, especially in the Black and brown communities. Black and brown women, especially, are highly affected by this. So this is just so important, so important. And the day is so important as it is. Also December 1st. December 1st is World AIDS Day. I'm actually hosting an event for Broward House, and we're going to do a walk from Hagan Park all the way to the Pride Center. Very important. If you lost somebody or if you're living and thriving with it, right? It's a day to be aware. We've come a long way, but to get HIV/AIDS eradicated by 2030 something, which was the hope, right? Especially with the new government coming in, you're going to have to work harder now more than ever to make sure that happens.
Yeah. Bonding is.
Yeah. But shake your bonbon, Ricky. Shake your bonbon. Living la vida loca. All right.